What's the best way to use AI for affiliate marketing? There are many ways AI can help your business create a content strategy, create the content, help with email marketing, and create copy for web pages, to name a few. Use Marie Grove's method, an interactive GPT that will create a side hustle plan in minutes. Get your free GPT by clicking link in description below video. AI can quickly identify the best niche for you, saving time and effort, and providing multiple ideal niche ideas in minutes. AI assists in creating a comprehensive content strategy by generating interlinked blog posts around a main keyword, making planning easy, effective, and fast. AI can instantly generate compelling copy for websites and landing pages. This is great if creating copy isn't something you're good at. Transform a strong blog post into other formats using AI tools, expanding your reach across multiple channels without much extra effort. Marie Grove's free GPT will create your affiliate plan in a few minutes. It's easy to use. Click the link in the description below video to start now.